Welcome to day 19 of our chair yoga plus seated Tai Chi, Qigong, and breathwork. Today we're going to do some seated Qigong, connective tissue changing. This is great if you have an office job and you sit at a computer all day, typing away. First thing we're going to do is drop the hands, and we're going to move the wrist sideways, like I'm waving, like the parade wave, but faster at the bottom. Shake out some of the stress. Then I'm going to inhale up. Exhale out. Fingertips to the sky, palm to the front. Relax shoulders. And I'm going to push out with the palm to stretch. So inhale, exhale. And we're stretching our whole bodysuit. So I'm not just stretching my arms, my wrist, all the fascia chain through my shoulders and back and down. Maybe I can even get down to my feet, feel a little bit of stretch, that tug on that bodysuit, and then relax. Then I'm going to rotate my palms, thumbs down, and then back up. And then the pinky finger down, and back up. Then the bird's head, forward, and then back. Moving to the side, and I'm going to repeat those motions, pushing out with the palm, then relaxing. The breathing here is just natural, spontaneous when you need to. Thumb down and back, pinky down and back, bird's head, and then back. Let's go down to the back with the palm press, with the thumb, with the pinky, with the bird's head. And then let's press up with the palms, rotate the thumbs. Really try to get a good stretch now. The pinky, the bird's head. We can also do the feet. So seated, we're just going to go to the front. If we were standing, we'd go to the side in the backs as well. And if you want to, you can just rest your heel in front. And then press out with the heel, like you're kicking with the heel. And you can lift up your foot too if you want. Turn in toward the toe, back. Turn toward the little toe, back. Turn the toes all the way down, like a bird's head with your feet. And then back. The other foot, the heel, the big toe, little toe, scrunch the toes, and back. Thank you for joining me today.